So you might be a first-time hair system wearer that just got their hair system installed, or you might be a seasoned veteran that's a year, 2, 5, 10 in. You might be wondering to yourself, why is it that even though I have a whole bunch of hair now, it just looks too poofy? Why does it look as if it's just too much volume, even though I might have gotten a light density unit? Hey guys, this is Jay Kent. Today we're going to be talking all about that subject and more. Now, this video is sponsored by LaVivid, so make sure you check out my link down below if you want 15% off any order. So one of the common experiences that most of us will have is as soon as we get our hair system installed, it's just gonna feel like too much volume. It's gonna feel as if it's too much hair or if it's somehow unnaturally bouncy. I'm gonna explain all that to you right now. I want to take you back to really the origin of hair systems and how they're made. That way we can understand what it is that we're experiencing and how to remedy this. So hair systems are made by attaching actual human hair into a base material, which is either lace, poly, or something similar. Now, when those hairs are attached, these hairs are generally 6 to 8 inches long, or they could be longer. After they're attached, all of the hair is then basically chemically treated. They're chemically treated so it has the right hair color, number one, but also so that way it has the right wave or curl. Now, you may see when you're looking at hair systems online, it tells you the rod or the curl millimeter size. What this is a measurement of the rods that the hair is strung around to give it that permanent wave or curl. Now, this process is chemically done. It's designed to give that hair a permanent curl or wave. This is the same process that if you've seen a woman get her hair professionally done, sometimes they'll give it a wave or a curl that's really, really nice. And what they'll do is they'll take these rollers and they'll roll her hair up inside of it, apply some heat, and over time, they'll finally release it and the hair will actually take on that shape and get this really cool wave or curl depending on how tight those rods are. So this is essentially the same kind of thing that our hair systems go through. Now, after that, what happens is it gets treated. These hair systems are kind of coated with like a silicone, and I don't know for sure, but I think that's actually to preserve the longevity of the hair system when it's sitting in a warehouse ready to be purchased. Now, when you first get your hair system put on, you have a 6 to 8 inch long hair system that's chemically treated to give it a certain wave or curl. Now, when it's finally cut down, as mine is right now, just recently, your hair is still kind of bound to that chemically treated process and also the length of the hair that it was. When you first get it cut, it has this crazy bounce to it. Now, often that can feel unnatural or like it's just too much. It's kind of hard to describe unless you've seen it before. For example, look at this. This is day one with this current hair system. Looks a lot different, right? Actually looks like it has more volume, more bounce, even more density maybe. That's not the case. It's just a fresh hair system. Now we can speed up the time to reduce that volume and give it more of a natural look. The way that I do this is take the first 3 to 5 days and I actually use that as a period to shower every single day and wash the hair system, perhaps with a shampoo. What this will do is it'll kind of relax those curls and those waves a bit, and it'll relax the volume that's naturally there. Now, if you just let the hair system ride out, you don't wash it or anything, you're gonna have that volume for a little bit longer. So I suggest that you go ahead and you wash your hair systems a couple times up front. After that, I generally don't wash my hair system every single day, maybe every 2, 3, 4 days. And I treat it with argan oil and leave-in conditioner every single day, but I don't wash it every single day except that first preliminary period. For the reason being, I'm trying to get rid of that extra volume. So don't worry, guys. So don't worry, guys, if this is something that you're experiencing. It's only temporary, number one, and you can kind of speed up that process just by following those steps right there.